Hey, summer trigonometry folks. This is Katrin Weston, your math trig instructor, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of our class. We are going to be meeting face to face this Thursday from 6 to 9:30. The thing that I really want to emphasize right now is that I'd like you to watch those 4 lessons. So I'm going to walk you through Blackboard. If you've never taken an online class, or this is a hybrid, it's not fully online because we are meeting face to face for quizzes, exams, and our midterms. But most of the instruction is online and it's on pre-recorded lessons via YouTube. So I'm going to be sending you those links, and I'd like you to watch 4 lessons this week. So let's go into your classroom. So I'm on the Columbia College website. I can scroll down to online learning. I'm going to go into Blackboard login. And we're going to log in. If this is your first time logging in, it's usually your username, which is your email, and then you put your birthday, your 6-digit birthday. For me, I already have my password set up. And then you select, this is the general dashboard because some of you might have more than one class on Blackboard. So we go into Math 8, that's trigonometry. And you should see something like this. It goes straight to the announcement page. So, looks like these are old announcements from my last class. I think I copied them over. I need to delete those. But this is where you'll get general information. I'm going to send an announcement once this video is done. But this is what I want to show you over on the left-hand side. Basically, this is course syllabus and class information. So if you click on this, and I'll provide a copy for you on Thursday evening. So this is all the information. This is how you can get in touch with me. Email's the best way to contact me. My office hours, I'm just going to do it on CCC Confer. I'll talk about that more on Thursday. For now, I wouldn't worry about that. If you have any questions, just send me an email. I probably won't be in my office in Buckeye 5 unless we make an appointment, which I'd be happy to come onto campus and meet you if you ever want to. So read through the syllabus, please. And that's just a little bit about disability. A couple of things that I want to point out here, and I'm going to do it again in class, but student responsibilities. So this is a partially online class, which means that it will require approximately 8 to 10 hours of work outside of our Thursday face-to-face times. You will be required to watch weekly assigned video lessons for each section prior to attending the face-to-face class, and you do have some this week. And you can read through the others. So those are the course objectives. The other cool thing about this is I did find we have this, and there's some Blackboard technical support if you have any questions, or just send me an email. We have this great trigonometry book, and it's online. So you click on the link and you go to trigonometry. And I really do want you to all get it printed. So there are a couple of sources. There's Staples. You could also go to Sonora Print and Copy and make a copy of it. It's 180 pages back to back. I think it's around estimated cost $15 to get it all priced out. So please look through that. That's where all of your practice problems are that we're going to go through. I'll have a couple of hard copies maybe for the first few exercise sets for you on Thursday for those who haven't gotten a text. But really, like I said, this goes fast, this class. It's a summer class. We have 6 weeks to cover an entire semester of work. So we have to get the ball rolling. Going back to Blackboard, I wanted to show you week 1. So this is your weekly to-do list. So for week 1, before you come to class on Thursday, I want you guys to look through this. So you've got practice from 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, and 1-4 will be due on Tuesday. So that's a week from tomorrow, 5/18. They can be electronically submitted. Like I said, I'll talk more about that on Thursday. So don't worry about it right away, or turned into SAM at the AAC on Tuesdays from 2 to 4. this is the other stuff I want to show you. I want you to be sure that you've reviewed the course syllabus, so we've done that. Please do that as well. Watch this video. You're doing that right now. Introduce yourself. So there is a discussion forum, and you can find the discussion forum over on the left-hand side right here. So you click on the discussion forum, and you click on please introduce yourself. And to start a thread, oh, it looks like some of our students have already introduced themselves. That's great. So for you, you would create a thread if you haven't done this already. And you can ask these questions. What I recommend sometimes, and you'll find this, is sometimes it's nice to copy and paste this into a Word document and do all the work in there, because if you don't, then you end up it's easy to hit and enter on accident. So I would do that here, list all your stuff. Hi there, introduce yourself. It can be brief, but just want a quick thing like that. And then once you're done with that, you can copy and paste that back into, that's our weekly to do. Down here, you can put the subject, get creative, paste that right here. And then you go down here and you submit. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this because we don't need to do that. And then anytime you need to go back, I'm just going to go back to the week 1 list. So with our week 1 checklist, you watch the video lesson 1-1, and I've got the links below, and this is the assignment. Like I said, I'm going to be a little more easygoing this week because there are 4 lessons. So the due date is on Tuesday of next week, but I might the following week I might have that due date a little sooner for the week, just to finish things up. But we're going to work on these in class on Thursday. I want you to do as much as you can, at least attempt a few problems from each section after you've read it. So here is the link to, for instance, 1.1 angles, and it's a YouTube page. You click on it,
that will show that angle B is
and
equal to.
go back to the beginning, and there you go.
Hi everybody.
So if it seems, so there's the big screen. So I kind of did it like Khan Academy style. And we're back to Blackboard. And then what you do is electronically, to submit this, you can go into this class. And I have my students either take a picture of their work or you can scan it. Scanning is the best, but if photos from your smartphone, that works too. And then you upload it right in here. So you can attach a file, browse from my computer, and that's where I want you to attach it. And you could write something when you save your document, save it as like lesson 1, you just say 1.1, page 1, something like that. So then when I see all of these, I'll know. And then you hit submit. So that's if you're off campus, if you can't finish it all by Thursday evening and want to submit it electronically, that's fine, and don't want to come back onto campus, you can do that. So I think that's a nice alternative there. Let's go back to the week 1. This week, let's see. So those 4 lessons, like I said, I understand it's a lot of material, but this is the summer class that you signed up for. So you've got 4 lessons that I'd like you to watch online. Get started on those 4 assignments. Come with questions, and then we'll all meet, it's in Sugar Pine Building on Thursday at 6. And for class Thursday, you have approximately 2 hours to review and ask me questions. I'll give you a hard copy of the syllabus and the schedule, and then we'll take quiz 1 on materials from the 4 sections. I'm going to allow this as a group quiz this time. It won't always be a group quiz, but you can ask Sam, the embedded tutor, or myself questions, and you can take it and ask your classmates questions as well. So I hope that answers all of your any questions that you might have, but please send me an email. If I actually don't, I want to hear that you've watched this video, so send me an email And if I haven't heard from you by tomorrow, that's Tuesday, I'm going to be giving you guys personal phone calls just to make sure that you're on board and that you understand what we're going to be doing for Thursday evening. So I look forward to meeting all of you. I think that pizza is necessary for Thursday evenings, don't you guys? So I think what I'll do is maybe I'll order a couple of pizzas, and then we can figure out a way to make that a regular thing, and maybe you guys can bring a few bucks to pitch in on Thursday if you're interested. No pressure, of course, if you don't eat pizza, but that's what I'm thinking that we should do. And like I said, yep, I look forward to meeting you, and I'll see you Thursday.